Meaning of hijack.
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 Hijack. Hijack refers to the act of taking control of something, usually by force or without permission. The term is commonly associated with the hijacking of airplanes, but it can also refer to the taking over of other transportation vehicles, such as ships or trains, or the electronic control of computers. A hijack can result in a variety of outcomes, such as the theft of goods, the kidnapping of individuals, or terrorist attacks. In general, hijacking is considered a criminal act and is punishable by law in most countries.